Hey guys, welcome back to the gaming family. Today, let me show you how you can fix Fortnite error occurred connecting to Epic servers. First, open the control panel by pressing the Windows key and searching for it. Set view by the category. Then go to Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, and click Change Adapter Settings. Find your network, right-click it, then select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4. Click Properties and choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter this. Click OK to save changes. If the issue persists, open Command Prompt as an administrator by searching for CMD, right-clicking it, and selecting Run as administrator again. Enter the following commands one by one and hitting enter after each. Once done entering, close everything and restart your PC. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.